Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
Our temperature today made its way to the low 70s for many of us. We had a pretty similar amount of sunshine to what we had yesterday, but now late into the evening, those temperatures continue to drop back. We had a lake-enhanced cold front push in from the east. That's already brought us to 45 in Poplar Grove, 44 in Harvard. We're still at 51 in Rockford, 57 in Freeport, 56. Meanwhile, out in Galena, our weather watcher Terry down in Genoa reporting 50 degrees for his current temperature, 42 the dew point, an easterly wind gusting to around 18 miles per hour. That's likely along that lake-enhanced cold front pushing in here this evening, bringing that noticeable drop in temperatures. Other than that, though, a pretty quiet evening, despite the fact that we have that front moving in. It'll keep us dry and also keep us clear here in the short term with our Mercy Health SkyTrack camera in Beloit, Wisconsin. Overnight tonight, our temperature will drop back down to the low 40s, back behind that front, but we will see an increase in cloud cover, especially after midnight tonight. 42 the overnight low, a little bit chilly for this time of year. Easterly wind gusting near 20 miles per hour as that front passes. That continued easterly flow tomorrow likely keeps us quite a bit cooler. We're only going to make our way back to 63, maintain that mostly cloudy sky, and that could bring us an isolated shower or two as well. Winds gusting out of the east near 25 miles per hour. The increase in cloud cover showing up very well with our satellite and radar imagery. You see all the severe weather and some of those thunderstorms down to the south and the southeast across the Central Plains. All of that will arrive in a decaying fashion locally. Mainly the impact that we will have in the near term is just that increase in cloud cover, followed by an increase in moisture, and then eventually our higher rain chances. Tonight, just in the way of cloud cover until we get into tomorrow morning. You see the decaying line of some of those showers and some storms arriving early tomorrow morning, but really breaking apart before they get here. We could see an isolated shower or two during the afternoon tomorrow, but I like to think many spots here in the state line probably remain dry. Likely not the case, though, for Monday night going into Tuesday. That's where we get better forcing, a lot better moisture arriving as well. That'll bring us that next chance for some widespread rain starting Monday night, likely lasting at least through the early half of the day on Tuesday. Possibly during the afternoon, we get a little bit of a breakup in some of those rainfall rates, possibly rain ending even for an hour or two at a time, but we likely hold on to scattered rain chances as we head then through Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and even likely into Wednesday as well. All told, we are looking like we're going to see a pretty significant rainfall from this, especially considering how dry everything has been as of late. Many spots could pick up at least an inch, possibly close to an inch and a half of rainfall. I think that's a pretty good bet, at least for the lower end of that, for many spots to get right around, if not a little bit more than an inch of rainfall with some localized higher amounts. That is good news for a lot of us. The dry ground, really kind of noticing you're getting a little crispy with that crunch with how dry everything has been. We have really not had a whole lot of rainfall. In the month of May, we have under an inch of rain, and most of that 0.81 inches of rain came just in the first 2 days in the month of May. Since that, the last 2 weeks plus, we have had only 0.13 inches of rain at the Rockford Airport. So a welcome sight to see over an inch of rain in the forecast. That does come with a significant cool down, though. Only 63 for Monday, 54 for Tuesday. That high temperature, 58 by the time we get to Wednesday. Still holding on to scattered showers then, but things drying out. We're back in the 60s and again near 70 degrees by the time we get to the weekend.